Well, companies should care about transportation procurement because if you think about the nature of the transportation problem, is everything is driven by the cost structures that each of the modes deliver, as well as the service level commitments and the constraints that drive the network. So that becomes the fundamental basis of how a network operates. So transportation procurement is really important because that's the creation of that information. That's the creation of those cost structures and the creation of those service level commitments. It's really the starting point. And so the ability to pay attention to that, to add value to that, to automate those processes and add intelligence to the creation of that information has incredible downstream effects in terms of how you make day-to-day decisions and how you execute on your transportation chain. Well, JDA helps companies optimize transportation procurement by doing several things. First of all, we're the worldwide leader in transportation solutions, offering a myriad of capabilities. And the way we do that is offer them as a closed-loop set of processes. And at the top of that closed loop is the whole transportation procurement process. So we offer a set of capabilities that allow shippers to intelligently collaborate with their carrier partners in order to optimize the negotiation of those transportation rates. So to lower costs, model their networks in detail, and be able to consider all the service and capacity constraints that they would require. In addition, we offer that in this closed-loop environment, meaning we can take the results of those negotiated rates and then feed them downstream into the transportation management solutions that we also provide. So shippers can take advantage not only in the value of negotiating transportation rates and negotiating those capabilities and those service level commitments, but also driving that into their execution processes and supporting that with the measurement of compliance and enforcement. And then lastly, we offer the capability to perform the analytics and measurement of that enforcement, of that compliance, and be able to feed that back into subsequent procurement processes. Well, with the acquisition of i2 Technologies, JDA has now brought together two of the world's leading transportation practices, that being i2 Technologies now being merged with Manugistics transportation practice. And what that means specifically for procurement is the merging of two industry leaders in terms of capabilities. In particular, what we're seeing is the merging of some of the collaborative and powerful optimization techniques that the i2 technology solution had brought to the market, merged together with the contract management capabilities that existed in the Manugistics suite. And what that means for our customers and for the marketplace in general now is a true complete approach to transportation procurement. So not only the ability to negotiate network rates as well as service level commitments and capacity commitments, but now the ability to tie that and be able to manage the creation and maintenance of the actual legal documents, of the actual contracts that enforce those rates and service level commitments. Well, JDA is unique in the marketplace in that it has the ability to offer its transportation solutions, not just transportation procurement, but all its capabilities, both in a traditional license behind the firewall approach, as well as in the cloud as a software as a service offering. Transportation procurement, specifically as we offer in the cloud, also has the added benefit of allowing customers to take advantage of those capabilities both as an individual engagement as well as over a longer term horizon where they can take advantage of multiple engagements and perhaps leverage smaller bid opportunities.